whatever. I'm just coming to you with this hair tutorial. I ain't got shit else to do, you know. Baby's at day 4 of his house. But I'm just over here trying to do this hair tutorial, you know, for this Brazilian version. You know, I got 5 bundles in, you know. That mean, you know, I got it. Specs on this hair, I mean, it's 20 inches, you know. It was past my breast or something. It doesn't shed, like I'm just running my fingers through it, and it just, I mean, it doesn't shed like at all. Like I'm just running my fingers through it, you know, like no tingles, no snags. I mean, it's just probably the best hair I've ever got. I mean, no tingles. Oh. It has movements, you know, if you wanted to, you could like probably like pin half up, you know, half up, you know, do that little snacky, you know. My inches are just so crazy right now, like, what is it? What is this? But yeah, I mean, you could pull this and it's not going anywhere. I mean, I would probably compare this hair to like Beyonce's hair or something. And this is not a lace front, this is my leave out. I don't know if you guys could tell, like, it's my hair. Most of this is my hair. I mean, my edges are short, but the rest of the majority of my hair is probably like 20 inches. It used to be 40, but I chopped 30 inches off. I think that's right. But yeah, this hair is everything. I mean, it's so versatile. Like, you just keep playing with it and like stuff and like. I'm sorry if I'm like not looking at you, it's because I'm looking in the mirror. But yeah, and the ends on this hair is just phenomenal. There's just everything. Like, you would put this hair in a ponytail. I mean, it's nothing really. Oh, 10 points. Real cute. Real cute. So, if you want to get me some of this hair, I'll leave it in the description. Go to www.horsehair.com and yeah, you could add heat to this hair, cut this hair, you could dye this hair. I mean, I don't know if you could tell, but I did like a very, very light ombre on this hair, like. Oh yeah, I hope you liked this video. Like if you want to see another tutorial. Another review because I got weed for days. And yeah, I just hope you like this video. And talk to y'all later. I gotta go pick up my baby from the clown's house or whatever. But peace in the Middle East.
Hey guys, I hope you liked that video. It was last minute and I hope no one takes offense to it. It's all fun and games. But yeah, if you like the video, like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you want to see something else like that. If what you want to see, just let me know. And I know I look ratchet, but sure, I don't care. Like, you know, I'm trying to get shit done, you know. But yeah, until next time, see you guys later.
Trinidadian, Japanese and Indian, got Malaysian, got that yaki, that wavy Brazilian. Them bitches thirsty. I'm